YouTube, what's the deal, man? As y'all boys can tell by the title and thumbnail, we're gonna be spinning the Jeep today, man. And I'm gonna also be teaching y'all like how y'all can spin y'all Jeeps, y'all track parks, Hellcat Durango, SRT Durango. If it's all-wheel drive and it's a Mopar, bro, I'm gonna show y'all how y'all can spin y'all car too. I know y'all boys wanna hear how I sound from the outside. Let me hit red it for a look. Y'all boys real fast. This the first thing y'all boys gotta do. Pop y'all hood, come over to the fuse box, man. This the one y'all wanna go grab. Pop this one out. This 10 in the middle. Make sure y'all pop this out, man. This gonna disengage the all-wheel. Yeah. In the middle. It's 10 in the middle. Make sure that's popped out. Now look. This with the car. This how I should be reading in the inside. Alright, here. If you start the car back up. The traction's all the way off. Everything should be off. No stability at all. See, everything gonna be off. Now look, stand right there, gang. Hold on, let me do a burnout. Look, just look. This how you know everything off. This how you know everything off. Perfect. Go by real fast. That's how you know everything off. When you spin it like that, the back wheel's only spinning, the front ain't. Let me go ahead and spin it real fast. Let the car go by. Let that car go by, but look, man. Who y'all got on YouTube spinning the Jeeps? You feel me? Who's spinning these Jeeps like this, gang? Let me go ahead and show y'all boys. I really do this, man. Dang, I really do this, man. When it comes to this spinning, bro, I really do this, gang. Y'all boys, the 360 hit a whip, though, man. Back tires. If you still got meat on everything, see the other one. There's meat on everything, gang. So look, man, if y'all like me, y'all coming from the Chargers and the Challengers, man, y'all end up buying y'all all-wheel drive, you still want to have fun, cut up. All you gotta do is pop that fuse, gang. It's gonna turn your all-wheel drive to a rear-wheel drive. You can still cut up and have fun. You feel me? Just pop that fuse, man. But man, let me see what we about to get into. Let's see what tell y'all about to get into. Show them something, gang. Show them something, gang. Come on, let's go back these ways, bro.
Hold on, what are you about to do?
You about to slide real fast.
Sliding?
Boy, you can somebody up, bro.
Man, burn the rubber out those things. I ain't gonna lie, man. Don't buy these cars if you ain't trying to spin them, man. You buy these Mopars, bro, to get dogged for real.
He done smoked through the top down there. Chill out, gang. You say you done?
Let me spin one more time for y'all boys. Then we about to get up out of here. Y'all want to see it? Let me show them my launch too. I'm about to let me show them my launch. About to turn around.
Two.
Hold on, gang. Hold on. Now look, y'all. This how simple it is to put it right back in, make it all-wheel drive again. Open that back up. Feel me? Make sure y'all. Feel me? It's really all plug and play. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Push it. Plug that back in, everything good. Put this back up. Now let me show y'all everything. Show y'all everything reading back. Right. Start that back up. Ain't no lights on or nothing. Alright. Good, you good, gonna be able to burn out none of that no more. Everything back to all-wheel drive. But look, I'm about to give y'all a launch real fast. I'm about to give y'all boys a launch while it's back in all-wheel drive. So you're gonna see how the straight pipe sounds. Straight line. follow me back to Anchorage. Huh? Yeah, about to follow you. About to go back. Go back on the block to just chill, man. But look, that's all y'all boys gotta do for real, gang. Y'all can still trip and cut up in these all-wheel drives, SUVs, man. Even, I ain't gonna lie, I wanna see somebody tweaking the TRX like that. I'm pretty sure you can do that in the TRX too, I ain't gonna lie. That'd be so tough. But man, but look, I'm gonna turn the camera back on once I get back to brokerage. We out, gang. It's the deal, gang. We just pulled up the brokerage. About to be chill, see what they eating. Tell Aunt, did I go crazy? Did I just go crazy?
Man. Yeah, bro, for sure went crazy as hell though. No bad.
I ain't gonna lie. Just did everything, little 1, 2 and that.
Let me see your tires.
It's aching.
Oh, Dante, you smell those too?
It is smooth.
Nah, you get nigga, them bitches good. Not me.
Keep it 1,000 though, Aunt. Who the best spinner though, bro?
I don't know, you whipping that shit, even though you but he don't got his 309, bro, so you can't really.
Hold on, I got an all-wheel drive car.
He got all-wheel drive too though.
So it's the same.
Huh?
So it's the same.
My shit one wheel pulling.
Yeah, his shit one wheel pulling though.
Out of everybody you seen spin though, like who really had wheels spinning, bro?
Me for sure. Then. Yeah, you gotta say me.
Out of everybody you seen spin, bro.
He did have wheel though.
I had wheels so crazy. That was my first time.
I ain't gonna lie, he did fuck it up, bro. He fucked over the wine.
That's what I'm saying, bro. In the Jeep though,
he was
gang.
the best one, bro. That nigga
Catching it, dog.
And then Dante redeemed his.
No, Dante got. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't saying
That
Dante
nigga-
don't got wheels. Dante for sure got wheels.
309, he'll go. Dante go
Yeah,
crazy.
for sure, for sure. If y'all niggas had scats and stuff, yeah.
Wait, if he was in the wine shit, he would have went crazy. Cause
Yeah.
the wine got the 309. He don't even know how to
Yeah.
stop.
Once Dante unlocked the full potential of this car,
Yeah,
go
when
crazy,
he
for sure.
unlocked
I'm
the
already
full
knowing.
potential, yeah.
I'm already knowing he gonna.
Yeah, that one wheel pulling. But he still know how to spin it, even though one wheel.
You be counter steering too?
A little bit.
Yeah, you got
When,
that.
when I get into it,
Yeah, when you do that, you got it then. I got it.
Yeah, he thought that bitch in like second gear, and then he be spinning it. He said spin better in second.
Once you told me throw it in second, bro, I've been tripping ever since, bro.
For real?
Yeah, off the spin, throw it in second. Yeah, I've been going crazy, bro. No, I ain't gonna lie. Once you see the vid, you're gonna be like, oh yeah, he just tweaked, bro. Like instantly, bro. As soon as I boom, I instantly tweaked. First try,
Damn.
Tell you, gang, when you see when I drop this vid, you're gonna be like, oh yeah, he got it now. Like, oh yeah, he got it, bro.
Man.
Tell you.
What's up?
I'm like, damn, y'all niggas want some spot already?
Yeah, I had to get this vid out the way for real. I ain't gonna lie. That baby T? No, man. No, man.
Bro, he did look all in our face.
Dog.
She licked all in our fucking face like that. Like she she literally slide, like, you know, step. Then she was like, man, she just licked George right in his fucking face and then licked me on my fucking face. I'm like,
Bro, like,
Surprised you ain't hop on that though.
hell no, nigga, that's another baby T.
man, you know, you see Dante ain't want to make no eye contact. He oh, she about to turn around.
Oh shit.
Oh shit, nigga,
She
is that
about the back door.
Nigga, is that baby T? Let me go grab.
Hey.
Hold the fuck
That
on.
nigga got in the car. I think he said,
Hell no, see.
I think that's your girl friend, ain't it?
hell no, nigga.
What's the right?
I'm gonna listen.
What's the right? What y'all about to get into though? What you about to do with your girl?
I'm waiting for her to get her, cause she getting her little friend, with her niece on there. So, he says I'm on